Alright guys, so doing a quick review on this URUAV FPV backpack, and I haven't done any really reviews on any backpacks because I just kind of use like a laptop backpack for my daily stuff, but now I want to kind of carry more stuff instead of just one controller, and I'll show you that here in a second. This has a lot more room for stuff inside. I'll put up the dimensions here up on the screen. This is not a super huge backpack. That's one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and review this one, because it isn't really giant size. But it's got adequate room for 2 controllers and 2 goggles. I have both DJI and analog in here. And you can see it's got 2 spots for holding a quad, one up here and one down here. And let's go ahead and I'll just show you everything that's on here. So you got a pocket up here, pocket up front here, and I'll open up all this here in a second. Got a side pocket here that goes all the way down, and same on the side. Got a strap here for holding something else, so this could be for like water bottles or whatever. You got your shoulder straps here, as well as I guess this is for the front, for the chest, to hold 2 straps together. Got one of those as well, some buckles. Got padding here behind the shoulder straps, one on each side, and down here as well in the lower back, so not going to really bug you too much. But yeah, also another strap here on the other side. You have a slot here in the back for probably a laptop. You got these nice zipper pulls. This is hard plastic here, and so sort of like a cord here, and regular zipper there. And just pull these down. You can see this is probably good for a decent size laptop, probably about 15-inch laptop. Not 17 is probably not going to fit in this one. 15 should definitely fit in this one, no problem. Zippers are they're not sticky, but they're not super smooth either. But I haven't had any of these stick on me yet. They are, I don't know, I would say overall this quality of this is, I'd say average to above average. I haven't really used any premium backpacks out there, like anything in like the over $100 or $200 range. I know there's definitely those out there that are quite pricey, so I can't really, judge this one against some of the really higher quality ones. The backpack I've been using is just a laptop backpack I picked up on Amazon for like $25 or something like that. So, and that one's pretty low quality. So, but I don't really, like I said, I don't really care about what I use. I just kind of use them for a little while, and then I just throw them away, just get a new one. But this is a bit higher quality and a bit bigger. And so here's the main pocket here. Open up in a second, and then here's this top pocket here. This is the top and the back. Small section, you can stick stuff that you want to get quick access to. There's no zipper pull on this one. All right, go ahead and pop off this quad here. So these battery straps, they can slide out. If you want to use a longer strap or something bigger, you can do that. Although these carbon fiber plates here, they're screwed in, so you could remove this completely if you just unscrew this here. This is just an M3 screw, so you can remove that one and that one. If you don't want to use these on the front, you can get rid of those. This is the front pocket here. And inside here, you've got this pocket here with a zipper. You can store some stuff here. Now this material here is it's like plastic with some like mesh, like a nylon mesh inside. I think this is mainly so that it doesn't like get punctured by something like say tools or whatever. But because if this fabric up here is definitely going to be punctured by like screwdrivers or something like that. But this one is not. But you can see on the other side, it's just a fabric. So I'm not exactly sure how useful this is. I'm not exactly blown away by this material. It's definitely going to be more durable, but it is kind of, I don't know, it feels kind of cheap to me. Got a bunch of pockets here, little ones for like pens or screwdrivers. I think this is for me. This whole section here is mainly for tools, and then some bigger ones here. So you have a level here for like screwdrivers, and maybe some needle nose pliers, and some bigger pockets here, and then another big one here. And just stick some random stuff in here like that. And then this here is this little pocket right here. So close this up. And we'll open up the main pocket here. All right, so again, you got this plastic nylon mesh pockets here. You got one here, goes to this section, and then the other one down here. I'm not using this. This is the top. Then you got this flap here, which you can close up if you want, like that. I guess that'll keep this section a little bit more secure. I think also this material is like waterproof as well. It's not going to absorb any water, so I don't really use this flap at all. I just leave it unzipped all the time because I just want access to my stuff, and this is the main area where everything is. So you get these little dividers. I didn't actually use all of them, but you can rearrange these as much as you want. So there's like one long one here. Like you get two of these. I only use one of them. I think I only used one of this medium. Actually, I used both of these medium ones, and then there's a really short one that I didn't use. So there's a really long one and a short one that I didn't use. This is how I arranged my setup here. I got my DJI goggles, my DJI transmitter, got my TBS Tango here in this pocket over this little section here. And then I have my Sky 04X goggles with the shark bite over here right on top of the DJI goggles. They just sit together like this. I didn't want to put another divider. They're just not a big deal. And then I have a little section here for random stuff. You put batteries in here or antennas or whatever. I just have, for me, I just have my antennas for my goggles here in this section. You put batteries in here. Got tons of space here. You can say this doesn't really take up that much. Just put more batteries there if I want, or even on top of the DJI controller. So plenty of room in this bag, and that's why I decided to go ahead and review this, because I knew it was going to have enough space for both my controllers, both my analog and my digital DJI setup stuff. Whereas I was carrying two bags around before, because carrying all this in one smaller bag was too small. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, check out the link if you want to see like other specs on dimensions, the weights, that kind of stuff. Overall, I'd say this material is, and the build quality is, let's say, average to slightly above average. I don't know how long this is going to last. That's really hard to say. Let me show you the bottom. This is the bottom here with these little feet. If you want to stand it up vertically. And then on top you have a handle for holding the bag from the top. I think that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic bag that works for me, and I'm kind of glad I consolidated everything and put everything into one single bag like this. And again, it's not super huge, but also has adequate space for pretty much all your stuff. I know for you guys that are wondering about the giveaway, just look at the rules down in the description.